Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing the interface near your computer and connecting power, then USB or Thunderbolt. Plug the microphone or instrument into the correct input and enable phantom power if using a condenser. Once done, install or verify the interface driver so the computer recognizes the device. Next, launch your DAW and set the sample rate and buffer size. These two settings determine latency and audio quality. So choose a conservative buffer like 256 to avoid glitches. Now you configure inputs in the DAW. Choose the interface as both input and output so routes are consistent. Create ARM tracks and assign each to the proper physical input. Then set gain on the interface while watching meters. Aim for peaks around -6 to -12 decibels to preserve headroom and avoid clipping. Make sure direct monitoring is on if you need zero latency listening, and use headphones for precise level and tonal checks. This avoids bleed and gives a clean reference for performance. Finally, perform a short test take and inspect the waveform for clean peaks and no digital clipping. Listen critically for noise, hum, or latency. Once satisfied, proceed with full takes and save the session immediately using incremental backups after significant takes or edits. If problems arise, first reboot the interface and computer, then update drivers and firmware. If that fails, swap cables or change USB ports. Often a bad cable or bus power conflict causes dropout, so troubleshooting stepwise isolates the fault quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.